Good morning to all. Lok Sabha election 224 brief note about the FST SST. FST. There will be 3 or more dedicated flying squad under each assembly constituency to keep an eye on illegal case, transaction or distribution of liquid or any other items suspected to be used or used to bribe voters. There will be 3 or more monitoring team under the SST each assembly constituency, each team consisting of a magistrate and 3 or 4 police personnel. This team will be set up checkposts and keep an eye on the movement of large amount of cash, illicit liquid, any suspicious item or weapons in their area. During the election process, all the district election officers are assigned various teams like FST, SST, VST, VVT, and AT as per the direction of the Election Commission of India. Thank you so much